Hello, I'm looking forward to a really lively discussion with my friend and ITI colleague Waldemar Polido on the ever fascinating topic of fixed versus removable rehabilitation of the edentulous jaws. I know that Waldemar has long experience of placing implants for fixed solutions, and I, on the other hand, have a practice that concentrates on removable options for patients. So it will be really interesting to see how we feel about this topic. Will it be pistols drawn, or will we end up with amicable agreement on the way to proceed? Well, why don't you join us to find out?
Hi, I am Waldemar Polido, an oromaxillofacial surgeon that works and teaches at Indiana University in Indianapolis. Here, when we see a completely edentulous patient, the first option that comes to my brain is how can I rehabilitate this patient with a fixed solution. So all the options and everything I have to do to provide a fixed solution automatically come to my brain. However, that is not always the case, and that is why I'm really looking forward for a live Instagram discussion and debate with my good friend and colleague Dr. Charlotte Stewart from London, England. I understand that she has a very large experience with removable solutions. So it'll be very interesting to learn from her experience, to debate. We may not always agree, we may agree in some points, but I think as a prosthodontist and as a surgeon, debate about fixed versus removable solution will be a very interesting thing for all of you to follow on Instagram Live and see our discussion. I hope to see you there.